Credit cards are everywhere, but how do they actually work behind the scenes? When you swipe, tap, or insert your card, a tiny chip or magnetic strip sends your account information to the merchant's payment terminal. That data is instantly sent to a payment processor, like Visa or MasterCard, which then routes it to your credit card issuer, typically a bank. The issuer checks your account to see if the transaction is within your credit limit and not flagged for fraud. If everything looks good, the issuer sends back an approval, usually in under a second. Now the transaction goes through and you walk away with your purchase. But here's the catch. You didn't actually pay for that item yet. The bank did. What you now have is a short-term loan from the credit card issuer. You'll get a bill at the end of your billing cycle with all your purchases, and if you pay it off in full by the due date, you won't be charged interest. But if you only pay part of it, or the minimum, interest begins to accumulate on the remaining balance. And credit card interest rates can be high, often over 20% APR. That's how credit card companies make much of their money. Now let's talk about rewards. Every time you use your card, the merchant pays a small fee, called an interchange fee, to the credit card network and issuer. A portion of that fee funds rewards programs. That's how you can get points, cash back, or airline miles just by spending. Security is also a big part of how credit cards work. That chip on the card generates a one-time code for every transaction, making it far more secure than the old magnetic stripes. Plus, if your card is stolen, you're usually not liable for fraudulent charges, as long as you report it quickly. Credit cards also build your credit history. Every payment you make is reported to credit bureaus. Paying on time boosts your credit score, while missed payments hurt it. That score influences everything from loan approvals to apartment rentals, even job opportunities. So every time you swipe a card, you're not just spending money. You're activating a complex system of data transfer, credit evaluation, fraud protection, and financial logistics, all in a matter of seconds. From everyday coffee runs to major purchases, credit cards are powerful financial tools, if used wisely. But mismanaged, they can quickly lead to mounting debt. Understanding how they work is the first step to using them responsibly and to your advantage.